Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I want to share with you one of my favorite things about my home gym, which is this amazing pull-up bar that is just sitting right here in the doorway. I can take it down and put it up super quick whenever I need to for a workout.
This pull-up bar by Alley Peaks has been the perfect addition to my at-home gym. I love that I can just put it right in the doorway and move it as needed. Putting it together was super simple and it's fully adjustable so that you can customize it to perfectly fit your doorway, which I think is an amazing touch. If you need to make any kind of adjustments, it's super simple to do. I absolutely love that. It makes it so easy to have a pull-up bar right in the comfort of your own home. And it comes with really nice touches like little pads that you can put underneath it so that it's not going to hurt your door frame. And then also an anchor, which gives added security and gives me peace of mind that it's going to stay in place while I'm using it. So there's so many things that I can do with this pull-up bar. I can do scap pulls. I'm able to practice my pull-ups and my chin-ups right at home, which is really amazing. It's also really great to use along with resistance bands. So there's just so many uses that I'm able to get out of this, and I love that it didn't involve any screwing or drilling into the wall. Like I was able to just easily install this right in the door frame, and it's super simple for me to take down whenever I need to, move it around, and then it just takes like 2 seconds for me to put this back up, and then I'm ready to use it. So it is incredibly convenient.
I love this pull-up bar because it has taken my at-home workouts to the next level. I can work on those pull-ups and those chin-ups and so many other things right from the comfort of my own home. And it takes up such a small footprint and is so easy to take down and set back up when I need it. I highly recommend checking this out, but that's just my point of view.